Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence or AI and exploring the incredible applications it offers across various industries. So buckle up and let's get started. AI has come a long way since its inception. From simple decision-making systems to complex deep learning algorithms, AI is transforming the way we live and work. But what exactly is AI? Simply put, it's the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. One of the most significant applications of AI is in healthcare. AI-powered technologies like image recognition and natural language processing are revolutionizing diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient care. For example, AI can analyze medical imaging data to detect diseases like cancer at an early stage, increasing the chances of successful treatment. The finance sector is also benefiting from AI. Financial institutions use AI algorithms to identify fraudulent transactions, assess credit risks, and optimize investment strategies. Robo-advisors, which use AI to make personalized investment recommendations, are becoming increasingly popular among investors. AI is transforming the manufacturing landscape. Intelligent robots equipped with machine vision and advanced algorithms can perform complex tasks. With precision and efficiency, AI can reduce production time and costs. AI also enables predictive maintenance, identifying potential equipment failures before they happen, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Self-driving cars and drones are examples of AI in transportation. AI-powered navigation systems and advanced sensors help vehicles make real-time decisions to avoid collisions, optimize routes, and even park themselves. The future of transportation will likely be a combination of human-driven and AI-controlled vehicles. Education is another field that is being transformed by AI. AI-driven platforms can provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Additionally, AI-powered tools can assist teachers with grading, identifying areas where students may need additional support, and automating administrative tasks. AI is making its mark in the entertainment industry as well. AI algorithms can generate realistic 3D characters, design video game levels, and even compose music. It's also being used to create personalized content recommendations and improve the user experience on streaming platforms. As we have seen today, AI offers a wide range of applications across various industries making our lives more efficient and convenient. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to harness AI's potential, it's crucial to address ethical concerns and ensure that these technologies benefit everyone. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to leave your thoughts on AI applications in the comments below. See you next time.